Hello, my Taurus, Gemini, cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of October 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vivra to Live family. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, you need to hang on for some more time. Shortly, we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 31st. Okay, let's go. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days, please, for my darlings. Okay, let's take that. We begin with politics, postponement, ripeness, traveling, burden. Okay, so what is it that you are scared? Apologies for that little light flashing on the cards. Okay, let me just take them down if that gives you the visibility. Okay, let's try. Okay, so what does politics try to say? It is trying to say that you should not be trusting anybody except yourself. Avoid being manipulative because you have a tendency to overthink. Okay, so postponement is all about delays. Whatever situations are happening, probably you do not wish to come out of your comfort zone, maybe because you're carrying people's burden, or you may be carrying somebody else's burden. Maybe you're not getting clarity about it. Now understand, when you start taking that road, success will embrace you. So you have good things, you have finance flow. In fact, you will have a lot of good communications coming up. There is something good coming up to you in the first 10 days, but I think you should be working on your mindset. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. That is 20. We begin with maturity, rejections, understanding, slowing down. Take baby steps. Okay, finance flow is coming towards you, or a stable connection will build up. I think emotionally also you will be happy, but what is happening is you are confused. You are not sure whether you should take that leap of faith. First of all, you need to gain clarity. What exactly are you looking for? Is it the goal that you are focused on, or is it that you're chasing? Okay, so there are two different things. Is it materialism, or is it the emotional happiness? What is it? I think there's a little confusion, but if you be in a calm state of mind, you will understand. I think it's related to emotions. Okay, it has nothing to do with the finance bit, but whatever the mid 10 days is, I would suggest go slow, is what even the universe is trying to say. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. We have courage, mind, source, isolation. Oh, what heartbreak are you holding on to? Or probably it's just in your mindset. I think it is something that you are holding on to, and probably it has nothing to do elsewhere. Or it could be getting into a third party, and that will backfire you, because courage is all about a couple, stability coming in. Yes, you are, it's like, new beginnings are starting up. Okay, after the rocky phase, whatever it is, new beginnings are coming up. But that isolation is trying to say, if you are getting into a third party, you're going to get a heartbreak. So avoid doing that, and probably that's a confusion. For a lot many, there seems to be intimacy coming up. So darlings, be careful. Cry your heart out. Remember, it's a temporary phase, or the reality will hit you, and that is something that will be extremely painful. So just be careful with the matters of heart. We will gain clarity regarding the same, but before that, let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. We have, wedding, beautiful. Again, if you're getting into a third party, avoid doing that, because wedding is all about commitments, all about amalgamation of two beautiful families, and many more people coming in. Also, wedding is trying to say that start visualizing, though we'll check with your love energies, but yes, love is in the air, so something beautiful is coming up. You could be a part of somebody's wedding where you might meet up, or you could hear some talks. Okay, now let's come to your love energies. What are they trying to guide you? Can I just have 2 or 3, please? Okay, thank you. See, we have the chaser and twin flame. Okay, now the picture seems to be clear. The chaser and the twin flame. So what is it trying to say? Probably the person, like a third party, seems to be getting into codependency, abandonment issues. Maybe that's the reason the push and pull effect is coming. And yes, you guys complement each other. That's the reason you may get entangled into the third party, which is why it could lead to heartbreak. So darling, the choice is yours. Okay, if it is working in your favor, nothing like it, but just be careful. Or if you've been single and not getting into a third party, then yes, there is a possibility that you will get married to that person, but you need to heal your pain initially, whatever the pain you could have been holding on to. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. We have occupation. So keep working hard. I mean, I know you do that. Okay, so work on your craft, and that's exactly how money flow will reach out to you. So how should I sum up this month? Well, it's a tricky one. I'll tell you why. Should I say gain clarity? Yeah, gain clarity. Because why? Emotionally, there's a push and pull effect happening in your life. Okay, financially everything is going good, but because your logical mind is tricking you, or you are getting influenced by it, is something that could backfire. So that's the reason universe is trying to remind you every now and then, gain clarity. Wedding bells are ringing in, is what celebration time is what the angels are saying. At the matters of heart, avoid getting into a toxic relationship just because you have that push and pull effect. But if you haven't, then heal yourself so that you can allow a beautiful soul to walk in your space and work on your craft. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.